The Tiaisacat 3-in-1 wireless charger neatly powers an iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods at the same time, which really cuts down on cable clutter on a desk or nightstand. Its folding stand design is compact enough for travel, yet sturdy on a table, and the adjustable viewing angles make it practical for watching videos or video calls while charging. The strong magnetic alignment holds MagSafe-compatible iPhones securely in place, so the phone snaps onto the pad accurately and stays put even when you tap the screen. With support for up to 15-watt fast wireless charging when paired with a suitable adapter, it can top up recent iPhone models noticeably faster than older standard pads. Built-in safety features such as temperature control and protection against overcurrent overvoltage help keep devices cooler and give extra peace of mind during overnight charging. The integrated, touch-controlled night light and clear charging indicators are a thoughtful touch, making it especially handy on a bedside table or in a dim hotel room.